Okay, hello all students, Michael Jenkins here. I'm just doing a quick video to help supplement some of our class resources since we can't gather together at the moment and go on sites. So I'm doing some short videos based on some construction sites around Tonsley. So here we've got what is a brick veneer clad dwelling on a timber frame, and I'll just step inside there. What I mean by brick veneer is it's a single layer of brickwork which is fixed off a timber frame with brick ties, and that single layer of brickwork is carried by our concrete slab down below. You'll notice the brickwork is rebated down 86 millimeters from the height of that internal floor. So that rebate, or that step, here we go, is there to ensure that any moisture that gathers behind the brick wall can be directed out via that flashing into our weep holes without affecting our timber frame, which is at a slightly higher plane, so that any moisture that makes its way behind the brickwork is directed down to this flashing and then out via these weep holes at the base. So that's the brick veneer cladding, and there's our civil bricks as well. So just some other things to note about this brick veneer cladding that we've got in here. So we've got a steel lintel that you can see there. That's this large steel section that carries the weight of the brickwork over that opening. So it's a fairly wide opening. That's why we have such a large steel lintel. Also these red anodized brick ties with a tiny little drip groove right in the center. So if any water does make its way down inside that wall and onto the brick tie, it drips onto our damp-proof course down below rather than tracking back to the frame. You'll notice that that material used for the damp-proof course is also the same material which is used for the flashing around the edge of our window there. So that's our brick veneer cladding in a very quick gloss over. What I will wander over and show you now, so at an adjoining construction site, well actually just before I do, notice the brick here. So obviously that's our brick that our brick veneer cladding is made of. So we have that single layer of brickwork. We have a single brick that's 230 by 76 by 110. So we'll take a quick wander over to another site, and I'll show you something that is not brick veneer, but it's quite often confused for brick veneer. So there we go, some leftover bricks on our pallet, heading past another brick veneer dwelling there. This section there, rendered Hebel, so that's Hebel construction. So you can see that first face has that texture coat on it, whereas that section there hasn't been texture coated. I assume that's because it's going to be a fire separation wall between two buildings that are going to be built. So heading along, some other things. So light organic solvent protected timber, that light blue timber, so that's for being used outside. Some timber I-beams, or called that timber composite floor joists. Some sections of structural floor, some sections of Hebel panel. But heading over here is just the thing I wanted to make that distinction between. So we had brick veneer, which is single layer of brickwork. This building actually looks like a brick veneer, but what it is, it's brick tiles. So you see those brick tiles on the end. So when I refer to brick veneer, I'm not referring to this form of construction. I'm actually referring to that solid brick construction. So I hope you've found this very quick video fairly informative. I'll be doing a bunch of other videos, I hope, over the coming weeks to help support the class resources. And certainly if you've got any questions or queries, please contact me through the forum or via email. All the best. Thank you.